Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is December 12th. We have got strength in the markets today as far as the grains. At 4:38 this morning, we had seen a surge of buying come into corn, pushing that above that 401.5 level. There were 2,259 trades, all within that minute, that pushed corn about 7 cents higher. That is where it finished the overnight market, up 7. Beans at that time traded 965 contracts for January, pushing that about 14 cents higher. And then for wheat, 9.5 cents higher for that minute as well. So very strong move technically. I think corn trying to cleaning out some short positions overnight. We'll have to see what the day session does as well. Of course, you've got guys talking much like when we took out $10 for beans on the downside, or that $9.95 for January. Technically, that was bearish, but it trapped a lot of guys that way. So guys watching this morning, how are we going to close? Yes, right now, taking out those levels, it is friendly. Chart-wise, it's friendly. But how do we close today going to be equally as important. Are we going to see the funds come back in here? Are they going to buy again today, much like what we've seen the last several days? And can they keep the strength above this resistance on a closing basis? So something to certainly see there. So we've run some stops already. We saw that overnight, but how are we going to trade during the day? That's going to be the big key move. We take out 407 for corn. Next stop's around 425. The beans have resistance up at this 1060 area, so we're going to need to watch that as well. Looking at some other news that could be friendly still for beans. Guys are still talking about these Chinese diplomats coming in next week to sign over a purchase order for some beans. We don't know what size. We don't know much about it, but that news itself, just because it's stronger demand, could end up keeping the markets a little more firm as well. So we'll have to see how the trade takes that here this morning. Cattle, though, a little different story. Fat cattle right now down about 30 to 40 cents. Feeders are limit down right now. We've taken out good support. Not a lot of support in these feeders until probably another $15 to $20 lower if we stay where we're at right now. We did see some cash cattle trade, 164 in Texas and in Kansas. That's $2 lower than where we were last week, so $8 lower in the past 2 weeks. Box beef, though, getting hit again. Choice down 216, Select down 43, so that's helping fuel the fire here to the downside. So we'll have to keep an eye on that too. Cutout values for hogs down $1.36. Hogs are down 65 cents right now. They continue to plunge. We continue to see a break in these hogs as well. Still looking for more of a seasonal bottom to come in here for both cattle and hogs, but we're just not getting that here at this time. But give us a call if you guys have questions. Here today, looking at stock market down 104, gold down $5, silver down 5 cents, the dollar down 40. So you can reach us here 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great weekend. We'll talk to you again on Monday.